how to make only your friends can see post you've tagged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see post you've tagged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down, click profile and tagging. And now just here you will find it who can see post you've tagged in on your profile. Click on it and then click see more, and here you will find it friends. Click on it, and now only your friends can see post you've tagged in your profile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.